This is Weber's SmokeFire Pellet Grill, and I'm Max Good. I test and review grills and smokers full-time for AmazingRibs.com. In this short virtual showroom video, I'll walk you around SmokeFire to see what it looks like inside and out. If you're not already at our AmazingRibs.com review page, you can get more information about SmokeFire at the link below. Welcome to our virtual showroom. Here we are at Weber's headquarters, where we were invited to get a first look and cook with their new SmokeFire Pellet Grills. Weber claims they've gone to great lengths to make their controller efficient and user-friendly. These 4 red inputs on the bottom are for meat probes. The pellet hopper is on the back, and there's a pellet cleanout chute. Slide it out to empty the pellets into a bucket or bag below. Look in here, this is interesting. The auger actually slopes upward. And here's a low fuel sensor that warns you when you're about to run out. The temperature probe and fire pot are located right in the middle, which could enhance even heat and temperature accuracy. The fire pot has a fascinating design. There are slots cut in the bottom to allow ashes to drop down into an ash pan below, and channels on each side funnel grease into the pan as well. The ash and grease pan slides out from the front for easy access and disposal. A heat diffuser goes over the fire pot, and a large heat tent goes over the diffuser. Instead of a standard flat drip tray, Weber uses their famous flavorizer bars. On goes the plated steel cooking grates and the warming rack. We're very curious to test SmokeFire, particularly its performance as a high-temperature grill. Can it really sear a steak properly? We're going to find out. For more about this and hundreds of other grills and smokers, visit AmazingRibs.com, where you'll also get tested recipes, tips and techniques, and everything you need to know about outdoor cooking. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.